So let's install a Power BI Modeling MCP Server in the VS Code. Okay. So let's see. This is the Power BI Modeling MCP Server. So recently launched by the Microsoft. So the Power BI Modeling MCP Server brings Power BI semantic modeling capabilities to your AI agents through a local MCP server. This allows developers and AI applications to interact with Power BI models in an entirely new way, from using natural language to execute modeling changes to autonomous AI agents, agentic development workflows. So here you can see a Power BI developer can type in natural language, can request to the AI applications like chat through our LLMs, and the MCP protocol is there, so it will connect with the Power BI modeling like desktop, Fabric Workspace, Power BI Project, PBIB. Okay, so what you can do with this, right? So build and modify semantic models with natural language. Tell your AI assistants what you need, and it uses with this MCP server to create, update, and manage tables, columns, measures, relationships, and more across Power BI desktop and Fabric semantic models. Bulk operations at scale. AI applications can execute batch modeling operations on hundreds of objects simultaneously. Bulk renaming, bulk refactoring, model translations, or model security rules with and error handling, turning hours of repetitive work into seconds. Apply modeling best practices. Easily evaluate and implement modeling best practices against your model. Agentic development workflows supports working with Kindle and Power BI project files, enabling AI agents to autonomously plan, create, and execute complex modeling tasks across your semantic model codebase. Query and validate tags. AI assistants can execute and validate tags queries against your model, helping you test measures, troubleshoot calculations, and explore your data. Okay, so let's install the Power BI Modeling MCP servers in our VS Code. So let's hit install, and that's it. It is installed in our VS Code. Okay, so now we can disconnect with our Power BI desktop, and we can write in our natural language like connect with Power BI. So it will connect, and whatever we want, like want to create a measure from our data sets, like we want to connect it, we want to do a data modeling. So we have to just type into in natural language. It automatically do the task. Okay, so manual task has been reduced now. So as you know, this is just started. So see how it works with our Power BI desktops in the next video. Till then, thank you for watching this video.